Nalibali bantwana bam nalibali bantwana bam. Sanibonani bangane bami abancane. Namhlanje inganekwane yethu sizoyifunda ngesingisi ithiwa The Wonderful Egg. Ibhalwe nguye ke uRoselia Reynolds. Uncwadi yakhe kuthiwa Ancient African Tales. There was an old man and his family living in a village in the northern Botswana. Most of the villagers possessed cattle, sheep, goats, but this poor fellow had none. He prayed to his forefathers to help him in his need, but without success. One day, he went out hunting and came across an ostrich egg, and he took this egg with him home. When his wife saw it, she said, "I'm sure there's something special about this egg, in which case it was better for us not to eat it." In fact, they decided to go ask an old wise woman in the village about it. The old crone had this to say, "Your good fortune will come from this strange egg. Only once before has one of two eggs been found, and it brought good luck to its owners. Place the egg in the middle of an empty kraal, gather roots of the shepherd's tree and burn them outside the entrance to the kraal each morning for 7 days, and then a miracle will happen. That is all I have to say." Husband and wife thanked the wise woman, and having found an empty kraal, placed the egg in the middle of it. For 7 mornings they burnt the roots of the shepherd's tree as commanded by the old woman. And in each time they saw the egg grow bigger and bigger. On the 7th day, it was so large it filled the whole kraal. Suddenly the egg vanished, and in its place stood calves and lambs. Needless to say, the old man and his family became the richest folk in the village, but they did not forget to share their good fortune with the other villagers. And this is the egg, and it kept on growing. So ke bangani bami abancane, kuyinto enhle ukuthi nawu nakho uphe nabanye. Nisale kahle. Nalibali bantwana bam nalibali bantwana bam. Bye bye.